Hey, what's up, compadre? How you doing? I've got a cool little tool that I want to show you here that you can easily use if you're just looking to generate some ideas. I mean, there's a lot of tools out there that you can use to help you get ideas for your subject lines and um, for the actual body of your email. And this one right here is called the Headline Wizard, and it's completely free, and I'll put the link below this video. But all you got to do is type in your headline. So for me, you can type in email marketing course and the claim 10 times your income online. And what we're going to see here is you just go down here, click generate headlines, and check this out. All these headlines that get popped up. Alright, so you can easily combine these different headlines, make one that is unique to you, and you can also start off with using different combinations at the very beginning like I did. So very cool little tool, and it's 100% free. Just wanted to let you know that it's out there in case you want to use it. Alright guys, enjoy.